Yes guys, so that day has finally come in my life when I'm filming a video in the bathroom. I think this happens to all beauty bloggers sometime or the other. But for today's video, I need the mirror, I need the wash basin. You'll just know why. Because today's video is about, deep cleansing my skin. This is a process that I have been following for quite some time now. It has been a couple of weeks. And I really like this process. It has really helped my skin because number one, with this process, not only do you deep cleanse in your skin, you also shrink the pores of your skin, okay? And you can use this process for your hands, your legs, for strawberry legs, for ingrown hair and all those problems as well. This will really help you, and because it shrinks the pores of your skin has a more even, a smoother, a more glowing texture. Okay, so let me start with this process today. This is basically my nighttime routine usually. So I'll just start with this process by first removing my makeup. So as you can see, I'm not really wearing a lot of makeup already, but whatever I'm wearing, I'll just start by taking that off. So let me fast forward the video here a little bit because it just end up getting too long and too weird. About what makeup remover I'm using, what I'm going to remove my makeup. I've just done a video on this specific topic very recently, so I'll put the link down in the description box below. And now moving to the step number 2, which is basically cleansing my skin. First, obviously I'll wet my skin because you need your skin to be wet for this process. Sorry about the sound in the background, not exactly the background, the basin water sound. I hope that wasn't too annoying on camera. And now I'll just take a little bit of the face wash. So as already reviewed on my channel, I'm using the Everyuth Tulsi Turmeric face wash. You can use whatever face wash you like. This is a face wash that I like right now. So a little bit of the face wash, and again, as you might have seen me already talk about on my channel, on the face wash I'll add a little bit of cinnamon powder because it just adds a nice glow. I really like using cinnamon powder. So just take a little bit of your face wash, and by the way, I love the scent of cinnamon also, in my face wash. It just is really nice. Okay, so I have already applied sorry, just 1 second guys. 1 second. Okay, so I have already put the face wash on my face, and now I'm going to be using the product from Vanity Planet called Spin for Perfect Skin. This was sent to me for review. It was sent to a lot of beauty bloggers for review. You might have even seen other beauty bloggers talk about this on their channels. I have had this with me for weeks now, and I've been using this for weeks, and I don't know why I didn't do a video on it because I like this product. I'm actually using it. So let me quickly tell you, this is basically a product which okay, let me tell you, this is basically called Spin for Perfect Skin. It's a cleansing brush from Vanity Planet, which you can get for $99.99 on the website. I'll put the link down in the description box below, but I have a 50% off code as well. And the special thing about this Spin for Perfect Skin brush is that it comes with this machine, and then there are 4 brush heads. Okay, so there is this brush head for cleansing the face, and then there is a brush head for exfoliating the face. So I'll basically be using these 2 today. But just to let you know, there's also this brush head which is for cleaning the rest of your body. So it's kind of large in size, as you see, and it's very soft. It's very soft. And there is this really tiny pumice stone as well for some extra hard cleaning. So this pumice stone is actually a little more gentle as compared to the regular pumice stones that I have seen. So I really like that. So I'm going to keep all the brush heads. Where do I keep them? There's no space on my wash basin today. Just hold on a second, guys. Okay. So this is basically a battery operated device, and I really like it guys, and this is a festive season. If you're looking for something nice to do to your skin, like I started using this a few weeks ago, and people were making videos and I was not making a video. Today I felt like I should really talk about this because it's a good product. So I'm just going to tell you how to use this thing. I've already put the battery inside this, okay, and you just like press this button over here. Cleansing my face now, and I'll just wash my face. Step number 2 will be exfoliating the skin. So exfoliating is not something which you need to do every day. You do it for like 1 or 2 times a week. It really just depends on your skin type and how much exfoliation your skin can take and how much exfoliation is required. 1 or 2 times a week is usually good enough number. So I'll just wash my face first. So once again, I'll just put a little bit of, whatever product I need to exfoliate my skin. Just one thing guys, if you're using this brush, don't use any scrub which has like really large particles, things that don't dissolve, in the skin. You want to use something very gentle, otherwise, it's not good for the brush. And it's not really required because the brush will do the job of exfoliation for you anyway. So I've already put the product on my skin, and now my skin is wet, this is wet, and let's start exfoliating. Now, as you can see guys, my skin is already looking quite fresh, I would say. I mean, I love how my skin feels, after this whole process. But for the last and final step, which I feel is kind of, again, really important for me at least, is to use an emulsion. Now again, emulsion is not something, face emulsion is not something which I use every day, and it's just something which I feel like you have to do, but it's a good process and it really helps my skin. So there aren't a lot of brands right now in India which are making emulsion gels, I would say, but this particular one called Tejasvi emulsion from Paul Essentials is like really good. So I'll just show you how to use it. As you can see, it's all like bright red in color. If you don't want to use a face emulsion, you can also use a rose glow serum, by the way. I have done a video on that as well. And after using a face emulsion, I just like to wash my face for one last time. So I'll just put on some water. So guys, I hope you like this video. I'll give you some nice tips for what you can do for deep pore cleansing and for taking extra care of your skin. Yep, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe to this channel, and keep following me on social media for more. If you're not following me yet, please follow me. All the links are there in the description box below. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye.